Here's yet another example of a linear equation in one variable. This one also contains parentheses, which we will remove first so as to simplify this expression before we continue on. Remember, we're using the distributive property, where we distribute the multiplication over the terms that are in the parentheses. 4 times x gives us 4x. 4 times a plus 1 is plus 4. Think of this as minus 3 being multiplied times each of those terms. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And a minus 3 times a minus 3 gives us plus 9. It's like taking a negative times a negative gives you a positive, gives you plus. Equals 2x plus 7. Now we should notice that we have like terms that we can combine in this expression to simplify it even further. 4x minus 3x is 1x. Plus 4 plus 9 more, that's equivalent to plus 13. Now the variable's on both sides of the equation. We don't want it on both sides. We want the variable to only be in one term on one side of the equation. So I want to make one of those disappear. Again, my general approach is to make the smaller one disappear. 1x is smaller than 2x, so I'm going to make the 1x disappear by subtracting 1. I had to subtract 1 because that was positive 1. 1x minus 1x will disappear into 0. Equations, again, are balances. What we take away from one side, we must take away from the other side to keep the equation balanced. So this left side is 13. 2x minus 1x is 1x, or x, whatever way you want to write that. And now the only thing that's left to do is to subtract 7 so as to isolate the x completely. Plus 7 minus 7 is 0. 13 minus 7 is 6. So in this equation, the solution is x equals 6.